Number 1. 1982 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500, with only 77,000 original miles on its dependable 2.8L V6 engine, mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. It features a matching blue exterior and interior, giving it a clean and cohesive vintage look that still stands out today. Mechanically, the truck is in great shape. Recent upgrades include brand new front shocks, a new exhaust system, a new carburetor, and a replacement transmission pan gasket. It starts right up and drives smoothly, making it a dependable option for anyone looking to enjoy an old-school ride. The S10 is equipped with factory air conditioning, which is still functional but could use a recharge to blow colder. The gas gauge reads inaccurately at times, though it remains responsive, and there is a minor oil leak worth noting. Number 2. 1990 GMC Sierra 3500, price $7,500. This is a well-preserved example of a classic heavy-duty truck, with just 113,500 miles on the odometer. Finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, it features an automatic transmission and is powered by the strong and reliable 454 V8 gasoline engine. Originally from Arizona, this truck has never been exposed to road salt, and as a result, it shows absolutely no rust on the body or frame. The steel body remains straight and clean, a rare find for a truck of this age. It has been fully maintained over the years, and the current owner has kept comprehensive service records and receipts to verify all work performed. Overall, it drives excellent, making it not only a capable classic but also a dependable workhorse with both utility and vintage charm. Number 3. 1994 GMC 1500, price $5,500. This truck is a well-maintained pickup that has traveled approximately 130,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a green exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a classic and clean look. Several recent upgrades have been made to improve its reliability and performance. These include a new Felpro intake gasket, Moog inner and outer tie rods, sway bar, and links, as well as new upper and lower control arms. Additionally, the truck has been fitted with a new coolant temperature sensor, starter, and battery, ensuring it's ready to go without any major mechanical concerns. Number 4. 1990 Ford Ranger, price $7,000, well-preserved example with just 65,000 original miles. It features a blue exterior and interior, a 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a reliable and classic driving experience. The truck has had only 2 elderly owners, was never driven in winter, and has been garage-kept its entire life. A bed cap has been on since new, sealed to the cab with a rubber gasket, and the bed looks like new. It also has a sliding rear window for easy access. The interior is spotless, with no rips or damage, and the truck has never been smoked and even the ashtray looks unused. The paint shows minor bubbling, and the hood and roof have light sun fading, but overall, the truck cleans up beautifully. Mechanically, it runs excellent and reflects the care it's received. A true barn find and a rare chance to own a low-mileage, original Ranger. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with just 96,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an automatic transmission, it comes finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Powered by a reliable 350 small-block Chevy engine, it also boasts performance headers for added power and sound. The transmission has been upgraded with a built unit that includes a shift kit and a quick floor-mounted shifter, offering a more engaging and responsive driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, with cold-blowing air conditioning and a fresh set of new tires, making it comfortable and dependable for everyday use or weekend cruising. While the truck is in excellent shape for its age, it does come with a couple of minor needs. It requires a blinker switch on the steering column and installation of new wood for the bed, though the wood is already included. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, with 169,000 miles on the odometer. It features a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The exterior is finished in sleek black, complemented by a beige interior that still holds up well for its age. The truck sits on aftermarket wheels that enhance its stance, and it's also equipped with custom taillights for a more personalized touch. While the vehicle is in good running condition, it does show the typical signs of age here and there. Nothing unexpected for a truck of this era. Included in the sale are additional suspension parts, which the current owner hasn't yet had time to install, offering potential for further customization. Number 7. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,800, equipped with a powerful 5.7L V8 Vortec engine known for its strength and long-lasting reliability. Paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth shifting whether on the highway or tackling off-road terrain. With just 148,000 original miles, this truck has plenty of life left and continues to run steady and strong. As a four-wheel drive model, it handles confidently in snow, mud, and rough conditions, engaging easily and pulling with authority. It also comes with a heavy-duty suspension, making it well-suited for towing and hauling, and features a tow package for added convenience. The classic styling and solid steel body give it a timeless look and a clean, purposeful stance. The burgundy exterior and matching interior provide a cohesive, vintage feel, while the near-new all-terrain tires enhance both its performance and appearance. Number 8. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500, equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 167,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The truck features a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. Despite its age, it still drives like a new truck. The vehicle does have a few areas that need attention, specifically, the cab corners and rockers show signs of rust and need replacement. Additionally, the Y-pipe has a hole in it, which causes the exhaust to sound louder than normal. However, several important components have been recently replaced, including a brand new fuel tank, fuel pump, and U-joint, contributing to its solid driving performance. Number 9. 1988 Ford F250, price $3,500. This truck is a strong and reliable classic, showing 164,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 460 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. The truck has a black exterior with a red interior and uses gasoline as its fuel source. Several important upgrades have been recently made, including a new oil pump, intake gasket, and fuel injectors. Both power window motors have been replaced, and it has received a fresh oil change along with a new MSD cap, button, and coil. Notably, both fuel tanks are new. The engine has a deep, throaty tone, suggesting it may have had a cam installed at some point in the past. Overall, it's a very solid old truck, dependable and ready to keep going for years to come. Number 10. 1988 Dodge D100, price $2,500. This truck is a clean and solid classic pickup with 113,700 miles on the odometer. It features a reliable automatic transmission paired with a fuel-injected 318 V8 engine and a 727 transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. The truck runs and drives well, with a smooth performance that reflects its well-maintained condition. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior sports a striking red color, both of which complement the truck's vintage style. Inside, the cabin is clean and in good shape, offering a comfortable driving experience. Mechanically, the entire cooling system has been recently replaced, providing peace of mind for future maintenance. However, it does need some front-end work, as there is noticeable play in the steering that should be addressed.